Cuckoo is a medium-sized bird belonging to the family of Cuckulidae. It is found in the continent of Asia, Africa, Europe, and Australia. Cuckoo has a thin and soft body, long tails, and two short legs. The color of head, chest, and back of cuckoo are grey in color. Its belly is white in color, and its feather is black in color. There are about 54 species of cuckoos with different colors in the worldwide. Most of the species of cuckoos live in trees, while some of the species are ground dwelling. The length of a cuckoo is 32 to 34 centimeters, and the weight of cuckoo is 110 grams. We have heard that cuckoo is the lazy bird because it does not build a nest on its own, depends on the nest of the crow, and lays its eggs. Cuckoo flies at a speed of 97 kilometers per hour. Different species of cuckoos make different kinds of sounds. Observe and listen the sound made by common cuckoo in a few seconds. Cuckoo eats various kinds of food items like insects, insects of larvae, varieties of animals, and fruits.